Hey everyone, my name is Josh Smith. I'm with MarineMax Lake Wylie, and today I wanted to show you the new 2024 Yamaha 255XE. So this is the new model for this year for 2024. We've got this one with the mist gray and the white. Great appearance to it, especially with the white logos. This is also going to be coming with the trailer as well. So tandem axle trailer with the lock-on straps there at the back. And let's go check out the inside. It's a sweet boat. Okay, so inside this 255XE, you've got, obviously with Yamaha's, a great layout here on the back. So this seat actually slides, fold in back, up right here. Now, the 255XE is kind of their water sports edition. You do have the built-in surf system, but with the storage, you've got this great spot back here. This is awesome for all your wakeboard ropes, surf ropes, dock lines, stuff like that. Just easy access, but keep all those wet ropes out of the inside of the boat back here. So that slides back and forth. You've got your controls for the stereo here as well. And then if you get your surfboard on, or wakeboard on, that is, this pad back here at the back is awesome for that. Table mount as well. You can see from the speakers, here you go, it's going to have a wet sound system all the way through it. This is a great boat for that kind of item. So let's check out the full inside and go through the rest of it. Okay, so now we're inside the 2024 255XE. I want to point over some key things that really kind of stood out to me. First off, you'll see how the speakers are actually up above the tower. As somebody who is about 6'4", that is a great benefit. You're not going to be knocking your head on the speakers all the time. Stay out of that concussion protocol. Also, this bimini is going to fold as well, so as the tower goes up and down, you do have the two speakers on the side, the wet sounds, but then also you have the wet sound sound bar here in the middle. It's also going to be equipped with the PTM board racks, so these are easy slide in and out for docking. Great system there. Upholstery also has changed significantly from years past. Yamaha really stepped it up here. It's a little bit of a darker gray color, but it does have some heat deflecting materials to it, which is really, really nice. You can also see you've got interior lighting everywhere. You've got it on the dash. This is really sweet, especially for night. And then also your wireless charging pad right here on the dash. So you can kind of control everything from the dash on this boat, just from the screen. You also have the key pad on the other side to get back and change where you're at. You've got mapping, you've got your steering controls, you've got your speed controls, all that stuff is going to be right here, and then the boat stuff as well. So great system from that standpoint, easy to operate while you're underway. You're going to have huge storage in this boat. That's probably one of the biggest benefits to it. In the Yamaha class, this boat has a ton of storage too. So massive in here, and then also going to be underneath these seats up in the front. They are now hinged, which is really nice as well. So we have a full safety kit in this boat, and obviously plenty of storage still to come. Anchor storage up front as well with your ladder. Steps for in and out, locks on its own, and then always with the Yamahas you'll have the storage underneath the helm as well. One cool thing on this boat that I think gets passed by a little bit is this section right here. So you have this storage here, but also this is pretty cool. This flips over, whoop, and lifts up to create a nice little table. So it just kind of gives you that extra space if you're hanging out at the sandbar, you know, drinks, getting a meal together, whatever it is. It just works out really well. So that is the new 255XE for 2024. Quick little review of it. Would love for you to come to the store and check it out. Again, MarineMax Lake Wylie. Give us a call. Thanks.